84 plus cos 132 plus cos 156. This is the problem given in EAMCET 2004. EAMCET 2004. I have taken these two, cos C plus cos D formula I had applied. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. These two taken. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. 12 plus 86, this is 168 by 2 means 84. This is 144 means 72. Cos of minus theta is equal to minus cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Similarly, this is also cos 180 cos 24. I have written cos 72 as sin 18. This can be written as cos 90 minus 18. This can be written as cos 90 plus 18. Cos 90 plus 18 is equal to minus sin 18. I have taken 2 sin 18 as a common factor. This is cos 84. This is cos 24. Cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. This is minus minus plus. This is sin 84. Here 2 sin 84 plus 24. This is 54. I think because this is 108, this is 30, this is 60, this is 30. You see plus 4, root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Upon root 5 minus 1, root 5 plus 1 is 4. These 4 will get cancelled. This is 1 by 2. Given in EAMCET 2004, sin A plus sin B is equal to root 3 into cos A minus cos B. Then sin 3A plus sin 3B is equal to dash. This is the question given in EAMCET 2004 also. You see friends, sometimes we should have this is only happened when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. This is only happened when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Otherwise, this statement is not true. Substitute in this sin 0 plus sin 0, 0 plus 0. This is 0. This answer is 0. This answer is 0. Let f is mapping from A to B is a real function. F of x plus a is equal to f of x for all x belongs to a. For all x belongs to a, where n is where a belongs to r plus, that means positive real number. Then f is said to be periodic function. F is said to be periodic function. Let f is mapping from a to b is a real function. F of x plus a is equal to f of x for all x belongs to a, where a belongs to r plus. Then f is said to be periodic function. So many examples I can be say. If f of x is equal to sin x, f of x plus pi is equal to f of x plus pi, f of x plus 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi. Let us write like this: sin x plus 2 pi. This is sin x. Therefore, f is periodic function. Similarly, f is mapping from tan x. F of x is equal to tan x. You take f of x plus pi is equal to tan x plus pi is equal to tan x. Therefore, f is periodic function. Periodic function. Periodic function. This is a definition. Periodicity of a function. For example, definition. F is mapping from A to B is a real function and a periodic function. Periodic function. If there exist least positive integer, n such that f of x plus n is equal to f of x, then we say that n is the period of the function f. F is mapping from A to B is a real function and periodic function of just a least positive real number n such that f of x plus n is equal to f of x. Then we say that n is the period of the function f. For example, consider f of x is equal to tan x. For example, f of x plus pi is equal to tan x. F of x plus 2 pi also tan x. F of x plus 3 pi also tan x. Continuing like this. Therefore, here pi is the least. Therefore, pi is the period of f of x is equal to tan x. F of x is equal to tan x. Okay, friends. Now I would write like a function like this cos x. For these, 2 pi is the period. 2 pi is the period. Similarly, tan x, cot x. For this, 2 pi is the period. Next one, secant x, cosecant x. 2 pi is the period. 2 pi is the period. You see, you must observe one thing, friends. If f is periodic function, then minus f is also a periodic function. A periodic function. Period of the function phi. Then the period of f of kx plus L. F of kx plus a by pi. A by k is the period. You see, friends, you see period of function period sin ax plus b cos ax plus b secant ax plus b cosecant ax plus b. For these functions, period is 2 pi by a. 2 pi by a. You see, tan ax plus b, cot ax plus b. For these functions, period is pi by a. Pi by a. You see, friends, modulus of functions sin mod x, cos mod x, or tan mod x, cot mod x, secant mod x, cosecant mod x. Period is pi. Period is pi. For all these mod x, period is pi. P are real numbers. Are real numbers. A sin 2n plus b cos x. Period is pi. Period is pi. Similarly, a secant 2n x, b cosecant 2n of x. Period is pi. Period is pi. Similarly, a tan 2n b cot 2n of x. This is also period is pi. Period is pi. Not only in this manner, if there may be change here also. A sin 2n x b cos 2mx. 2mx. Similarly, a tan 2n x plus b tan 2mx. For these two functions, period is pi.